Hello friends, so today we are going to install this police cap. Bullet police cap की बिना incomplete है, so there is a very small process how to install it. I will show you today. So you just need the screwdriver, that's it for this. So let me open the headlight right now and I will show you how to install the police cap. It's very easy, you can do it at your home. So let's start the process. Just need to lose this screw. पूरा नहीं खोलना है इसको, थोड़ा लूज करना है. Let it out. Oh my god, the accident. So let me unplug these headlight cables and I will show you how to install the police cap right away. Unplug this headlight and the cable from the wire. So let me remove these pins of the bulb. Should be easy, not that difficult. Yep. Just keep remember how you open this, so it will be easy for you to install. Remove this pin. Now remove this headlight. Now we have to open this pins with the help of the screwdriver. So let me open this right away. I have just removed two pins right now and two pins are still there. I think installing the police cap right now will be easy. So let me install this and I will show you how it look like. So I have fully opened this dome right now and now we have to install this police cap into this ring like this. So let me fit this and I will show you what it look like. So guys, I'm done with the installation with the police cap now. I have fixed up the pins over here, the 4 pins. Now I need to install this bulb and I will fix the headlight. I will show you the final picture of this. So now I'm installing this headlight right now. Let me see if I can hand over this phone to someone else. So guys, done with the installation. It looks awesome. I believe the police cap is very common, but the bullet without the police cap is not really look good. So this looks awesome now. Working fine.